Did you ever scratch your ex back or any part of his body?
Well, I sure as hell didn't scratch his ass. What's up, SV Squad?
It's your boy Georgie
and your girl Victoria, back again with another challenge. Happy Easter to everybody.
Happy
It's
Easter, guys.
It's Good Friday today.
Hope
so
you
we
enjoy
thought,
your Easter.
Can you see I'm talking?
Hope you guys enjoy your Easter, guys.
So we thought, what best to do than do a video on a day off?
Hope you guys enjoy your Easter egg. You get more eggs from your Easters. Yeah, guys.
Okay, so Siaosi is organizing this challenge.
Yeah, I organized this challenge because I love it. I love this challenge to make you feel you good and me it's good.
So without further ado, into the challenge.
Your ex versus me.
What?
Your ex versus me.
So your ex versus me, hey?
Yeah. We're back to the questions.
I'm so nervous. Why am I nervous? I can do this.
First question, guys. Did you ever massage your ex back? Yeah. Back.
Never.
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 That's good.
I'm telling you the truth. I'm gonna try and be as honest as possible. I never massaged that back.
You need to tell the truth.
I'm telling the truth.
Guys, hope it's telling the truth. And did you massage my back?
I always do. Don't even go there.
Oh, that's good, girl. Good on you, girl. Second question. Did you ever wash your ex undies?
I don't even wash your undies. I don't even wash his undies. What the hell?
What about your ex?
No. Why should I wash his undies? These people are grown-ass men. You're a grown-ass man.
Oh.
Wash your own undies.
But no. You should do my undies.
No, I'm not doing your
I'm
undies.
your husband.
Definitely not doing your undies.
Oh, serious, guys? She's not gonna do as a husband and wife.
Well, if it's in the laundry, obviously, but I'm not gonna go into the shower and scrub your undies.
Your husband's clothes and put in the...
Yeah, I do that.
So why is that you're not gonna...
Because your undies, you scrub yourself in the shower.
Oh, it's not right. It's not right.
Okay, comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below.
Women, I need you to stand up for me, okay?
Stand for me. Stand for me.
Stand up for me.
If you love your husband,
comment down below.
Stand for me.
Do you scrub your husband's undies in the shower every day? Like, is this a daily occurrence? I guess
comment
like one-offs is fine, but like if that's your job, if that's your duty.
That's your husband. You need to do your own husband.
So do you scrub my pants?
Yes.
No, you don't even lie.
I do it.
He's such a liar.
So, doesn't matter. We're waiting for the votes from down the... Third question. Did you ever cook food for your ex?
Never.
What do you mean? You lying?
Never. Okay, you guys would have seen our other Q&A where we said part 2. Like Siaosi was the first one that I fully came out with, so I couldn't really cook for him. Yeah, I couldn't cook for him, so there was no one to cook.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Only me. You can cook for me. You can cook for me, girl. I'm your boy. Georgie, cook for me.
Okay, so far Siaosi's had 3x0.
Yeah, that's good because you lie sometimes.
No, I'm not lying.
Yeah. Fourth question. Did you ever bought a gift for your ex? Or did you ever surprise your ex with a gift? You can tell the truth. Tell the truth, girl. Tell the truth. Everyone's gonna waiting for you.
Yeah, I did.
Why you do that too?
What?
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Oh my goodness. Why you didn't surprise me something?
Are you joking me? We got it even on the vlogs.
Oh yeah. But
Yo,
you
yeah.
did only me, you surprised me.
Well, I didn't know we were gonna be together. Anyways, what
Oh.
couple doesn't surprise their then boyfriends with gifts? Like, I'm a giver, and that's one of the things I love doing. I love giving gifts.
It's no good, guys.
To my partner and surprising them.
See, guys, what I mean? Yeah.
It's just like, it's just one of the best
See
feelings
what I mean,
ever.
guys? Now he's telling the truth.
I said I was gonna tell the truth.
Oh my goodness. Why you do that? You should do that. Only me. It doesn't matter. It's happened. It's happened.
It's happened, honey.
Fifth question. And the nice question ever.
The nice question ever.
Did you ever, let me think, did you ever kiss your ex on a cheek?
Yes.
Wow.
Well, what do you think? Did you ever kiss your ex on the cheek?
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Shut up. Next question. That was old, honey. It's in the past.
Oh my goodness. I think it's only me you can kiss on high.
Well, what do you think?
You just kiss straight.
Okay.
You just kiss him on forehead.
Okay, so 2 for X.
2 to 3. And the sixth question, did you ever scratch your ex back or any part of his body?
Well, I sure as hell didn't scratch his ass. If that's what you're asking. Is that what you're asking? No, I didn't.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
With his hand?
Yeah, why?
Yeah.
He's got his own hands.
Oh, that's good. It's only me. You can scratch my back, scratch my hand.
Siaosi is the worst. I swear, I was YouTubing today. The sentence that I YouTubed is, why is my husband's back always itchy? He always wakes me up, or like anytime he comes home from work, can you scratch my back? Can you scratch my back? Can you scratch my back? All the time. I'm like, do you have eczema on your back?
No, because it's nice to me if you scratch my back. It's feeling nice. That's what an old woman can do to your husband or to your man. And question number 7, did you ever meet his parents? Tell the truth. Tell the truth, girl.
Yeah, I did. But not as his girlfriend.
Oh. What are you doing, girl?
Are you stupid? Not as his girlfriend. I met his parents, but not as his girlfriend.
Oh. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm free, guys. I'm free, guys.
No, you got more, baby. Siaosi has 4. The X has 3.
3, yeah.
So that's 3 for the X and 4 for Aussie.
Question number 8. Did you ever go with him to the movies?
But isn't that like one of the first things you do on a date?
But some other girls can't do that.
Well.
Well. So what?
Well.
Oh my goodness. What's the problem?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my. Yeah, it's alright. And question number 9, guys. Did you ever wrap your arms around him? I think it's only me can wrap my arms. Don't say it.
What? That doesn't make sense.
Don't say yes.
That doesn't make sense.
What?
Did I ever wrap my arms around him? Like a hug? You mean like a hug?
Like this? Like a hug? Yeah.
Well, yeah, I hugged him.
Oh, what the heck? What are you doing? I think it's only boy who can do that.
I hugged him.
Did you feel like you want to hug him?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Hey, what do you mean what's wrong with me?
This only boy can do that. He can hug you. But now you say you can hug him.
Yeah, I hugged him.
Oh. You're not good girl. Question number 10.
Oh my god.
Did you ever kiss him on the lips?
Never.
Are you serious, girl? Are you
Never.
serious? You
Never.
lie. You lie.
Nah, only on the cheek.
Stop lying.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Stop lying.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Your ex is gonna be kissed straight to the mouth.
What?
To the lips.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
You lying to the YouTuber. Guys,
Sorry, the camera just died.
guys, she's lying.
What?
No one's gonna kiss to the cheeks. If you ex, you can kiss to the lips.
Okay.
Did you?
Yes.
Question number 11. Did you ever spend more money for your ex?
What do you mean?
Spend your money. What do you mean spend your money? Did you ever spend your money? Tell the truth.
On your ex.
On your ex.
Well, I don't think so.
What do you mean? What do you mean, girl?
I can't remember.
Stop lying. Yo, you want to know this question? You really want to know this one? Did you ever?
Yeah, I did.
I think only me can spend more money for me, but you. I hate you.
What?
No, I'm just joking. Did you spend more on me?
Have I spent more money on you? Definitely. Hello.
That's good. That's your husband. You can spend more. Over than million and million and million. For me, you can pour me some million something.
Okay, the last question.
And the last question, guys. Hope you enjoy and like this question. The last one. The best question. Do you think your ex look better than me? I'm spicy, yo. I'm spicy.
I can't with him. He's so funny. Let me think.
Go. Look at me. I'm tough, boy.
Oh, definitely not.
I'm better. I'm look better.
That nigga look like a monkey.
Yeah, guys. Do you see it?
Definitely Siaosi looks way better than any of my exes. All of them look like trash.
Yeah.
Sorry to say that.
Yeah,
Can I say
sorry,
that?
Guys. Don't say that.
Okay.
It's alright. Yeah, hope you guys like and subscribe to this vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
And if you want me to do this challenge to Siaosi, get this challenge to 400 likes.
Yeah.
Like that was nothing. I'm gonna go investigator on the him. CSI, I'm gonna go investigator on you. We're gonna find out. We'll probably have 30 questions to ask you.
30 questions. I'm telling the truth. I'm a good boy. No one's gonna catch me. I'm a good boy. So guys,
I don't even know what the score was. If you guys know what the score was, please comment down below.
Yeah.
Who won? Because I can't really remember.
I won. But
yes, so comment down below what your favorite question was, what your favorite part of the video was. You know what to do, so subscribe, turn on the notification bell so your phone rings every time we upload.
yeah.
Make sure to like this video. If you can't like this video, it's probably because you're not signed into an account. So sign up, sign in, and press like to like this video. Get this video to 400 likes so we can do the challenge to Siaosi. Again, happy Easter to everyone.
Happy
Stay
Easter,
safe
guys.
this weekend.
Stay safe and stay tuned for the next.
Bye.